your home screen?
Yes. I'm at the
Alright, now look
desktop.
down to your keyboard. Look down to your keyboard at very left hand corner bottom. Do you see a CTRL key as a control key?
I see that key.
Which key do you have next right to the CTRL?
Pardon me?
Which key do you have next right to the CTRL?
It's the Windows key.
Right, it's a Windows key. Now do me a favor, press Windows key with a one finger, keep it, hold it down, and then press letter R key. R as in robot.
Okay.
Now release both the fingers together.
All right.
What can you see now?
A window showed up that says Run.
Right. Can you see there is a written open, and next to that there is a bar to type something?
Yeah, there's a spot to type something.
Yeah, is it blank or is something is written over there?
It's blank.
So now type over there MS config. Let me spell out for you. Amazon Mary, S as
Okay.
in Sunday, C as in California, O as in Ohio,
Okay. You can go faster if you want. I'm following you.
N as in Nancy, F as in Florida, I as in Indiana, G as in Google.
Okay.
Whatever you have typed over there, just read out for me.
MSCONFIG.
Right. Now hit on OK.
All right. There's a
So
lot
what
of
can you see now?
background noise on your end.
Right, sir, because there is a lot of technician behind me.
Yeah.
Let me go under the table. So what can you see now?
The system configuration utility opened.
Right. Can you see on the top there is some option like general booth services, startup tool,
Yes, I see that.
hit on a services,
I'm sorry, hit what?
hit on a services.
Services, okay. All right.
Now can you see there is a bunch of services is loaded, and most of the services is manufactured by the Microsoft Corporation. On the right hand side, can you see there is a status? Some are running and some are stopped.
I see that there's a bunch of services, I guess, and most of them are from Microsoft. And I see
On the right hand side,
and I see the status
and
column. I'm going to answer your question. Why don't I'll answer your question. How about that? So there's a column that says status, but I think, let me scroll up and down a little more. I think they all say running.
some are running and some are stopped. Can you see that?
No, I think they all say running.
Sir, if you click on a status, then you can see some are, when you double click on a status, you can see some are stopped.
Well, I understand what you're saying, but I hope you can believe me when I say that they all say that they're running. I'm scrolling up and down in the list. I clicked on the column there, but they all say running. There's about, I don't know, maybe 40 or 50 things, and they all say running.
Oh, I think there's something is wrong. So just do one thing, close that box. Let me show what your network status. Just close that box and again press Windows key and letter R key.
Okay.
And now first of all, remove MS config from that box and make it blank.
Okay.
Now type over there CMD.
All right.
Now hit on OK.
Okay.
What can you see now?
A black box came up that says Microsoft Windows.
Right. Can you see there is a cursor is blinking over there?
Yes, I see that.
Type over there net state, which is a short form of a network status. Just type over there and another Nancy.
Uh-huh.
E as an Edward. T as in Tom.
Okay. You can go faster. I'm following you.
S as in Sunday, T as in Tom, A as in America, T as in Tom. Now
Okay.
whatever you have typed over there, just read out for me.
It's NETSTAT.
Yeah, now hit on enter key from your keyboard.
Okay. Okay,
So
so
what
it
can you see
printed
now?
some stuff out, some in white and some in red.
Can you see there's active connections?
I do.
And you can see that there are some local addresses, some foreign addresses, and their state. And you can see that there is a lot of hacker got established in your network line. That's why we have called you.
Well, it says, I see the local addresses and the foreign addresses, but under the foreign addresses it says blocked. And then at the bottom of it, it says, in red, it says, hacker intrusions have been blocked.
Your all the hacker are blocked because temporarily blocked by us. But we have to permanently block that hacker from your network line. So we have to connect your computer to our Windows server. So do me a favor, just close that each and everything and go back to your home screen.
Okay, close this window.
Yeah.
Okay.
And press Windows key and letter R key together.
Okay.
Now, first of all, remove CMD from that box and make it blank.
Okay.
And type over there www3ws dot 11GB
11.
dot
I'm sorry. 11.
GB, G as in George, B as in Bob,
Okay.
GB.net.
Okay.
Now hit on OK. What can you see now?
It's opened a window and it looks like it's trying to get a web page.
Yeah. Is it loaded?
Yes. Remote support
Yeah.
you deserve.
Right. On the last option, do you see a Supremo Windows?
Let me make my window a little bigger here.
Supremo Windows.
Okay, I heard you. Give me a moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see the last one in green is Supremo Windows.
Yeah, just click on that.
Okay, so it looks like it's downloading something.
Yeah, it's a supremo.exe.
Yep.
So, is it downloaded? Is it downloading?
It looks like it's downloaded, but I guess it's doing some sort of file check on it.
So,
Okay,
just double click on a Supremo.
It's ready.
Double click. Yeah. So, just double click on that. So, can you see there is any option?
Okay. You want me to run it, I guess?
Yeah. Do you see any option like run?
Yes. That's why I was
Just
asking.
click on that. Just click on run.
Okay, welcome to Supremo. Run Supremo.
Yeah. Yeah, can you see on the right hand bottom there is the option of accept?
Yep.
Just click on that.
Okay.
What
so
can you see
I've
now?
got a new window. It's got a spot. Okay, there we go. It's got an ID and a password and then a box to type stuff into.
Right. Can you read out your ID?
123 598 107.
And what's your password?
3836.
Right.
Okay.
So let me connect your computer. So now can you see the cursor is moving on your screen?
Yeah, and I see it says that somebody started a remote control session.
Yeah. Yeah, it's me. Now you are connected to the IT management. Can you see there is a IT management as a service? Where is your cursor? IT management as a service.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Sir, on your screen, can you see there is a IT management as a service?
Oh yeah, I guess I see that. It looks
So
like
now
some
you're
sort of
connected
ad
to the
for Usilio.
Yeah. So let me do one thing. First of all, go back to your home screen. Let me go back to your home screen. All right, let me check that. So let me open a MS config on your screen. Wait for a minute. Now leave your mouse from your side.
I'm not touching the mouse.
So someone is moving your mouse. That's why I'm asking.
It's not moving here.
Let me open a run box on your screen and typing over there MS config. Can you see the hello?
I'm here.
Can you see there is a services and just click on our run status? Let me just click on that. You can see that we have temporarily run all the services in your computer, but we have to permanently run all the services in your computer. So first of all, let me do one thing. Your call has been transferred to our diagnosis department. So just hang up the call from your side. All right, and our diagnosis department will you call back within a 10 minutes. Within a 10 seconds, sorry. All right?
I don't think so.
Just hang up the call from your side, and our diagnosis department will you call back within a 10 seconds.
Within 10 seconds? Why don't you just transfer?
Sir, because we have to transfer your call to our diagnosis department. We have a 2 department here.
And you can't transfer calls?
So he will. Yeah. So you have to hang up the call, and he will call you back with his extension.
All right.
He has also
I'm losing my patience with this.
All right.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. Right now, your call and your access has been transferred in a diagnosis department, right?
I guess. I don't know what you guys are doing, frankly.
Okay. Give me a second. Okay, so tell me one thing, who is the main user of this computer?
I am.
Okay, and apart from you, anyone use this computer, sir?
Nope. Just me. Well,
okay.
and you now, I guess.
No, we just diagnose your computer right now because we are receiving the... Okay. So, and which purpose you are using this computer for, personally, for officially?
Web browsing.
Okay,
that's really most of it.
Personal, right?
Yeah, it's personal.
And right now I can see that you are not using any kind of security over this computer.
I run Malwarebytes periodically, but I don't have anything running all the time. That's true.
Yeah, I can see that you are not using any kind of security. That's why you're having these kind of problems, hacking activities. And your Windows Defender needs to scan your computer, right?
I suppose.
Yeah, Windows Defender. Windows Defender means, and I can see that your computer is working so slow because of these hacking activities. And do you have time right now?
It seems to work fine on my side.
Okay. Right now, do you have time right now? Because it will take around 10 to 12 minutes to diagnose your computer, okay?
I thought she already knew what was wrong.
Okay, so let me run a security scan over this computer, right?
All right.
Give me a second.
How long is this going to take?
Yeah, that's why I'm asking about your time, because it will take around 10 to 12 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm starting to lose my patience on this.
And this computer is registered with the name of Jack, right?
Yeah.
Might be your name?
That's me.
Okay. So give me a second. I'm going to run a security scan over this computer. Okay, there?
I'm here.
Okay, you can see that scan is running over your computer, right? It will take around 10 to 12 seconds. And right now I can see that the thing is clear. You are not using any kind of securities over this computer. That's why you're having these kind of problems, hacking activities, right?
Yeah, we covered this already.
Yes, and you can see that the scan of the color of the scan has been changed, right? White to red. That means, let me maximize it for you. That means they have put some malicious virus in a computer, and the scan has been completed, right?
I guess.
Yeah, the scan has been stopped, so let me mark for you. You can see Trojan is running in your computer, right? Trojan is running in your computer.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see that, right? That's why
when you highlight it, it's very hard for me to read because it's light blue text on a white background.
Yeah, you can see that Trojan is running in your computer.
I see those words.
Your eye. your IP address has been traced. IP address, and might be you know what is IP address, right?
It's like addresses that computers use on the internet.
Yeah, IP address means every computer has a unique ID number. That's called the IP address, Internet Protocol Address. That is the identity of the computer and the users as well. That is related to the network line, right? Internet connection.
I guess so.
And Allurion, and you can see the Allurion is found in a computer, right? So do you know about that? What is Trojan and Allurion? Why the heck installing the Trojan? Why the heck installing the Trojan and the Allurion in a computer? These are the most dangerous viruses which are running in your computer right now. And because of this Trojan and Allurion, your IP address has been traced, your identity has been traced.
Okay.
The system is about to crash, right?
All right.
Right. So let me tell you, and what is the main reason, right? What is the main reason behind hacking the computer? Because every hackers want to do illegal activities, right? So they will not.
What's that?
They will not.
What's that that came up on the screen?
That is a Contramantra Detect. Okay.
You're
So
right.
let me, with the help of.
I guess I am being hacked.
Sorry.
I guess maybe you're right. I may be getting hacked.
Yeah, that's why you're getting these kind of pop-ups, right?
Let me see. I didn't get all the way read through. Even
Okay, give me a second. These pop-ups come in again and again. Let me get rid of this, right?
should I do what it says?
No, you don't need to do anything. I'm going to. Okay. So with the help of Google, you will get better understand, right?
Pardon?
With the help of Google, you will get better understand, right? Why the heck installing the Trojan Allurion in a computer? I'm just opening the Google. And how old this computer, sir?
Neighbor kid built it for me. Maybe 3 years ago.
Okay. Let me might be a new computer, right? Because you can use a Microsoft computer around 10 to 12 year old, right? 10 to 12 year more.
I guess I got my machine before that was a Windows XP computer, so I used it for about a decade, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, Google is not opening, right?
This warning is very persistent.
You have to ignore that one because hackers are doing that because they don't want to inform you that your computer is under hacking activities, right? The condition of the computer is not looking good. Your Google Chrome is not. Can you open that your Google from your side? Give me a second. Let me remove this Contramantra Detect. Give me a second.
Okay.
I'll get back to you because there is.
Hello.
Yes, hello, sir. Why did you hang up the call?
That protection
Mhm.
software on there suggested that maybe you guys aren't legitimate. So I'm just gonna take my computer into a shop, a local shop here, and see what's going on tomorrow. I think.
But no one can resolve your problem right now because your computer is under hack invade. Your network line is got infected, right? Because they have already got access over your computer.
Okay. Well, I'll mention that to my guy.
Okay. Caramba. Hello, can you hear me?
I can, but I'm going to hang up the phone call now. So thank you for your
You
assistance.
can hang up the call. You can hang up the call. Why are you wasting my time, huh?
You're the ones that called me back. So thank you for your efforts.